Good morning, beautiful people around the world, and welcome to Obinwannem English News Update. My name is Obu Promise, the news presenter. On our trending news this morning from Vanguard, Nigeria closed 2.021 million bank accounts in the first quarter of 2024. In an effort to clean their books of questionable accounts and comply with regulatory order on linkage of bank accounts to national identity number (NIN). Still on Vanguard newspaper, the federal government yesterday approved an increase of between 25% and 35% in salary for civil servants on the remaining 6 consolidated salary structures. It also approved pay rise for its pensioners under the Defined Benefit Scheme (DBS). Now on Punch newspaper, a 300 levels female student of the Food and Science Technology Department, Aliko, Dangote University of Science and Technology, Wudil, Kano, Aisha Yahaya, has been found dead in a student's lodge outside the school premises. Punch Metro gathered on Monday that the female student was said to have passed on April 22, 2024, immediately after writing her first examination during the school's ongoing first semester examination. Still on Punch, the ongoing negotiations for a new minimum wage have deadlocked following the inability of the federal government and organized labor to reach a consensus on the issue. President Bola Tinubu gave this indication in his speech during this year's International Workers' Day celebration in Abuja on Wednesday. Also, the President's Special Advisor on Information and Strategy, Mr. Bayo Onanuga, in an interview with The Punch, faulted workers' insistence on the 615,000 naira minimum wage. He said the government and labor unions had not agreed on the amount. And now on Channels TV, the governor of Ebonyi State, Francis Nwifuru, has again awarded additional 10,000 naira to the salary of the state workers. The governor made the pronouncement during the 2024 Workers' Day celebration held at Pa Oruta Ngele Stadium in Abakaliki, the state capital. And now we move down to African news. On the trending news revolving around Africa, Foreign Minister Hagan Fidan says Turkey will join in South Africa's genocide case against Israel at the International Court of Justice. Upon completion of the legal text of our work, we will submit the declaration of official intervention before the ICJ with the objective of implementing the political decision. Fidan said on Wednesday at a joint news conference with Indonesian Foreign Minister Retro Marsudi in the Turkish capital, Ankara. Moving to the world news. Paul Auster, Americans are divided like never before. U.S. author Paul Auster, whose novels and screenplays reflected the vibrant, complex cultural melting pot of New York, has died at the age of 77. Still on world news, Columbia University community shattered after police riot. Police and private security throng every entrance but one. Steel barriers line the streets. Students pack up belongings in their cars and leave for home. Classes are cancelled and exam plans are up in the air. Students told the BBC that the university's decision to call in police to clear a Gaza protest late on Tuesday, leading to a raid on the occupied Hamilton Hall and more than 100 arrests, has left the college community shattered. Man has been charged with murdering 14-year-old schoolboy Daniel Ajorin in a sword attack in northeast London. Marcus Adoni Monzul, 36, is due before Barkingside Magistrates Court on Thursday over the attack in Hainault. Police were called to report of a car crashing into the house and people being stabbed. And this brings us to the end of our news update this morning. Thanks for listening to Obinwannem News Updates. Please make sure you do follow Obinwannem News platform to be updated always anytime we come live. Stay blessed and do have a lovely day. My name is still Ubu Promise, Obinwannem News presenter from Akwa Ibom State.